If you're looking for the best ceramic coating for cars, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. It doesn't matter whether you are looking for an easy-to-use and best spray ceramic coating for cars, the best ceramic coating for black cars, or a premium ceramic car coating solution for your vehicles, you may like the Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat Pack instantly. The advanced 3-in-1 formula provides waterless wash, coating, and shine immediately. It offers more extended protection against harmful UV rays, environmental contaminants, chemicals, dirt, grease, and other damaging materials. One of the fantastic qualities of the Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat ceramic coating is that it is not only meant for car surfaces. Having said that, it means that you can use this ceramic coat in your motorbikes, boats, RVs, and other types of surfaces. Therefore, you get maximum coverage with an easy application procedure. Moving on to the next at number 2 with CARPRO CQUARTZ UK 3.0 50 Kit. If you are looking for the most durable and best professional ceramic coating for cars or trucks, you can go for this advanced ceramic coating by CARPRO. The CARPRO CQUARTZ UK 3.0 50 Kit has all the potential to make it to your list of the most coveted ceramic coating for cars. It has an advanced formula that provides resistance against harmful chemicals, salt, and other environmental damages. It also offers excellent protection against the harmful UV rays of the sun. So, even if you're using the CARPRO CQUARTZ ceramic coating for DIY purposes, you still get a professional ceramic coating due to its remarkable qualities. The CARPRO ceramic coating kit includes a 50 ml bottle of CQUARTZ UK 3.0, however, you will need to use only 15 ml per coat for an average size car. The number 3 position is held by Mother's CMX Ceramic Spray Coating. If you are looking for the best spray-on ceramic coating for pickup trucks or cars that is not too difficult to use, you may undoubtedly like this professional-grade ceramic coating spray. The Mother's CMX Ceramic Spray Coating is quite affordable, easy to use, lasts longer, and finishes off with a super glossy appearance. It has ultra-durable properties that come along with super hydrophobic protection, which means no matter how long your car is under the rains, it will neither get damaged nor lose its glossy appearance. The Mother's CMX Ceramic Coating Spray has a powerful blend of silicon dioxide and titanium dioxide that provides long-term protection against harmful vehicles, UV rays, and other environmental contaminants. As it is a spray-based ceramic coating, it is straightforward to use. Next at number 4 we have Ethos Ceramic Wax PRO. If you are still thinking, what is the best ceramic coating for cars or pickup trucks, this one might impress you for a long time. The Ethos Ceramic Wax PRO is one of the finest ceramic coats available in the market that has the potential to give out a professional finish. Its 3-in-1 formula ensures your car looks fresh out of the showroom even if it is used for a more extended period. The combination of wax, polish, and sealant in the Ethos Ceramic Wax PRO ceramic coating helps it provide accurate finishing on the car paint and protection against harmful environmental contaminants. Not only that, you get a non-stick mirror shine finishing that ensures your car looks new even after numerous long drives. Therefore, this marine-grade ceramic coating is an all-in-one ceramic coating solution that you can buy for your vehicles. The number 5 position is held by Chemical Guys HydroSlick HyperWax. Do you want a shiny, protective, and durable professional ceramic coat on your car under your homely atmosphere? If yes, then you have hit the right button. The Chemical Guys HydroSlick liquid works amazingly well as a protectant on your car surface. This is not like other ceramic coating products that are difficult to use. Instead, it is more like the wax products that are easy to apply yet give out a fantastic high-gloss finish. The Chemical Guys HyperWax provides extra shine, protection, and longevity upon use on the car surface. You get year-round protection against pollutants, brake dust, bird droppings, road tar, etc. All in all, this is the best ceramic coating for cars and pickup trucks, one of the most coveted ceramic coats that you can use on your vehicles. The number 6 position is dominated by Color & Drive Car Ceramic Coating Kit. The Color & Drive Deep Gloss 9 Car Ceramic Coating Paint Protection Kit is one of the best automotive ceramic coating kits available in the market right now. This unique ceramic coating provides a flawless look on your car surface which appears to be very glossy and shinier with time. It runs longer without bringing on any damages to the car paint surfaces and allows you to feel good about your car even when you have driven it for years. The ceramic coating of the vehicle using these products shells out a professional finish even if you are using it at the ease of your home. After the application, you get excellent protection against harmful UV rays, dirt, dust, chemicals, and other environmentally damaging factors. All in all, the Color and Drive car ceramic coating is an advantageous buy for every car owner who want a flawless look and long-lasting results on their vehicles. Moving on to the next at number 7 with HydroWax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Spray Coating. This one can also be considered as the best spray-on ceramic coating for cars for its hydrophobicity, tropical scent, long-lasting ceramic protection, and easy-to-use features. The Hybrid Solution Ceramic Spray Coating has hydrophobic properties along with cyatwool polymers that ensure water repelling, chemical resistance, water sheeting, and every other water protection feature graciously. This professional-grade ceramic spray coating for cars is easy to use and apply because of the ultra-simple spray design. You don't need the help of a professional to carry out the spray coating of the car when you use this product. After the application, keep it intact for a few hours and then find a mirror-like shine in your car with reduced spots and damages. Overall, it's an excellent buy for regular car users. The number 8 position is held by Nano Bond Ceramic Coating Pro Kit. If you are looking for simple yet efficient ceramic coating for car paint protection, then you can go for this latest high-gloss paint protection formula. The Nano Bond ceramic coating might be good enough for large vehicles or heavy industrial usages. Still, it is good enough for redoing your ceramic coating or small parts applications. This DIY ceramic coating is made with a new formula that consists of over 80% pure cyatwool content that shells out a 9 high-gloss finish. It also has all-new upgraded micro-suede applicator clothes present in the kit, which makes the application procedure an easy one. The hydrophobic nature ensures your car paint remains safe from all types of water damages even if it is washed frequently. The Nano Bond Pro ceramic coating provides excellent coverage against harmful UV rays, dirt, dust particles, chemicals, environmental contaminants, and other harmful substances. Next at number 9 we have HydroWax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Wet Wax. HydroWax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Wet Wax uses silicon dioxide and other polymers to form a long-lasting hydrophobic layer to repel water and contaminants. It provides a deep, high-gloss shine to go along with the protection and is compatible with other conventional cleaning products. Apply by simply spraying onto your wet vehicle and then drying. The wet wax makes for faster drying and easier washing by preventing water spotting and resisting damaging chemicals. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Chemical Guy's HydroCharge Ceramic Spray Paint Protectant. Chemical Guy's HydroCharge Ceramic Spray Coating has been developed for the do-it-yourself market by folks who have spent years supplying professionally applied coatings for the industry. Designed to provide professional-looking results with silicon dioxide coating with a simple spray-on application, HydroCharge provides you with a super slick, water-repelling surface and durable protection against the elements. HydroCharge lays down a smooth layer of ceramic that levels out the surface of your paint for maximum resistance to chemicals and other contaminants. It's recommended that after washing your vehicle, you decontaminate, polish, and cleanse the surface before applying the ceramic coating. That's all for today. We upload auto product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.